Hello, Mike here from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Today we're going to talk about how to follow a proven strategy to make a passive income online. Before we do go any further, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. As I said, how to follow a proven strategy to make a passive income online. Now you must follow a proven strategy. If you try to do it your own way, you are sure to fail. If we take a person who's a very well-known billionaire, Richard Branson, which everybody will know who he is, when he first started out, there was no internet. In fact, he started his business from a telephone box next to the River Thames in London. Now, back in those days, what he did, he looked around to see how people were getting their business to be able to sell, as he was going to start selling records. And what he saw was people were writing out on postcards, putting in windows, shop windows, different businesses to be able to get their business, or advertising in newspapers. Well, Richard Branson back in those days didn't have the money to do that, and that's why he used his office to start with as a telephone box. And what he did, he went round putting notices in telephone boxes, in shop windows for people to contact him. The phone number he used, well, obviously that was the telephone box. And he would sit by that telephone box waiting for people to ring that number so that he can make his sales. Now there he is, following a strategy which he saw which other people were doing. It's the same today with the internet. People have a strategy they follow. They don't make it up themselves. You have to do what other people are doing. Watch them, learn and listen. But what also Richard Branson did do was build a brand. Now his name or his brand is Virgin. And that's what a brand he built everything up around. He called it, whatever business he started thereafter was the same brand name again, Virgin. Which is Virgin Records. He's got the airplanes which comes under Virgin also. So you have to build a brand as well as following a strategy. Now your brand is probably your most important part of your business. As I say, my brand is your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Now you have to go out and look around because you don't want to pick a name which somebody else has got. The one way of finding out to get yourself a brand name is probably to go somewhere like GoDaddy and look at different website names and see if anybody has got these particular names, which is a brilliant way of finding out so that you can build yourself a good brand. Then once you've decided what brand name you are going to have, then you've got to decide, how am I going to do my advertising? Am I going to do it free, like here on YouTube? Am I going to do paid advertising, like on Facebook? Or am I going to do solo ads, or Instagram, or Pinterest, or anything else like that? You have to make your mind up which way you're going to go and stick to it. You must stick to one way, because if you try to do one way, and then you add another way, then you add another way, you are going to get lost in what you're trying to do. So I say again, just pick one avenue to follow and stick to this avenue. Now it takes time and effort and a lot of hard work to be able to build up your brand name. It's going to take months and months of hard work to be able to get yourself out there. As I say, as I've said in previous videos, Google don't pick you up straight away. Okay, hopefully you got the right keywords out there, but then you need numerous videos out there for Google, as I say, to pick up your keywords. Plus you need good content within your videos. You need to be able to tell them what you're about. You need to be able to sell them what you're trying to do. And another good way is, which I've got, and you will see below, is have a free ebook to give away. This can draw your customers in. Now, if you're able to do your free ebook, you obviously need to study the niche you're in. Like me here, I'm in Money Online. I do weight loss also at the moment, although at the moment I'm not doing a lot with that, as I'm sticking with this project just at the moment. As I said just now, you really need to stick to one project to get this off and running. So if you're able to write your ebook, you need to study your project or your product which you're hoping to sell. Get everything down, write it down, and then you can actually make your free ebook. I made my free ebook up in Canva. Now I've only got about 6 pages on my ebook, but it's to the point. I'll be quite honest, I'm not a person who likes to waffle. I like to say it and get it done and out the way. Because I do watch some YouTube people and they go on and on and on, and it's exactly what they've said at the beginning, they're saying halfway through again. And I cannot stand that type of YouTube, to be honest. What I need is the important information telling me what I need to do, etc. This is how I learned to become an affiliate marketer. You have to follow a proven strategy. Now just think of a wall. You need a good base, because if you don't put a good concrete base at the bottom, you build your wall, and what will do? It will fall over. Now the same thing will happen with a business. If you don't build the base, then your business is sure to fail. Now if you're not sure where to start, then start looking at other YouTube videos. Follow what they're doing, take in what they say, take notes, and then you can, as I say, you don't copy their videos, but you can follow their strategy, how they actually make their videos. And if you're not sure how to make a free ebook, well then download some free ebooks from some of these people and see how they actually make their free ebooks. They're so easy to make. As I say, you need to, when you study them, write various things down which you think you can put into an ebook. And then, as I say, you go onto Cavener, and you can make or Cavener.com. There you can make your ebook, and it's free to make your ebook there. So it isn't as if you've got to pay it, and if you're struggling with money, etc. I mean, I've had no money at all to start this business off with, to start with. And as I say, I've got a free ebook. If you'd like to download my free ebook down below, and then this would give you a good starting point, and it would tell you how to do a brand name and everything else you need to do. It's not a big ebook, it's only 6 pages, it's just the nitty gritty, no waffling there, it tells you exactly what you need to do. Now if you don't want to go for the free ebook, below that you will see the 15 steps to success program. You can download that one straight away, or go into that and download that one straight away, and then you can start the system there. As I say, it's 15 videos you will go through. You will get a coach, you will get a mentor to help you through on this, which will help to teach you how to become an affiliate marketer, how to earn money online, and to be very, very successful. And it's something I do thoroughly recommend. Now, give me a thumbs up if you like my video, please. Leave a comment down below. And this is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.